Hi friends, this is Sanjay Lawrence Surin from Sahara Orphanage India, and today I am here to share about this Sahara Orphanage and the challenges which we are facing now. Sahara Orphanage is a unit of Sahara Inland Mission, and Sahara Inland Mission is a Christian charitable organization situated at Umbred, District Nagpur and State Maharashtra. It is totally Christ Center and child focused organization. Sahara Orphanage is taking care of who has been abandoned, abused, neglected, misdirected and caught up in family turmoil. Our vision is to make these children responsible and productive citizens of the society and equip them with the life skill and bring a great transformation in their life by showing the love of God. This ministry has faced many challenges in the past, but by the grace of God, by your prayer and strength of God, we have overcome. But this month we are facing a huge challenges which we ever face. The orphanage and the ministry is held in rented property. We are living with these children in rented house and continuing this project. Many times we have shifted to another house when house owner asks to leave without raising any questions. The present house where we are staying with the children, we are requested to out of this house now. So we need your hand to support these children to get shelter on it. Thus far we have shifted more than 15 places to continue our project. I have faced the huge challenges when we shifted one place to another place. I never give up because I know I have a mission to fulfill and commandment to obey whatever situation I face. God has given me direction for this mission. I know my purpose, my passion I have for poor and my desire to do something to bring both human and Jesus love to them. Some of these children have lost one or both parents. Some of these children lives in home supported by the mother who is unable to provide even most basic need of her children. Some of have been abandoned and left to live on the street or in orphanage. My friends, kids just want to be kids no matter where in the world they are. You can make a tremendous difference in their life, offering them shelter, education, health care, an opportunity, a chance just to have fun as like your son and daughter. Because of our current situation, we need a temporary place to live until we begin to build the orphanage house for these children. Since last 6 months I am trying to find house for rented basis, but I didn't. Here local mentality is totally different. People are not willing to give rented house for these children. They are scared of these children would damage their wall, consume lots of water, make lots of noise, such as excuses are being told. Besides, some are willing, but high rent expenses are demanded, which is beyond our capacity. Since we are struggling to get sponsor for all children, I search daily for a solution. I get up early in the morning and I go to search for a rented place where we can get it and have rent place to get shelter on it. Now I have found a place. I am thinking of if you would buy this, which cost is 16 lakhs rupees, in dollars $25,000, because people are unwillingly to rent to a family of so many children. If we would buy this where we can stay temporary basis without any disturbance until we construct our own building in the land which we have. We are facing our biggest challenge, which goes beyond our financial capacity. We need your help to these children. We need your hand to support these children. We need God direction. if someone would open up their home, if fund to purchase a smaller house for temporary living would come to these children. My friend, we need a solution. Please raise your hand. We always want to be transparent with our supporter about each situation we face and need that we face as a ministry. Friends, we are critical situation now. God has not taken us thus far to give up. He has not allowed these children to have family, to have home, and just to become a homeless again. We request you to contribute toward this cause, to help the Sahara orphanage children to get their own house and to continue this noble work. Please donate now itself, before it slips from your mind. Please help us by spreading this message with your recommendation to all your friends, associates, colleagues and family members. Just stop wherever you are now. Take just a moment of prayer for these children wherever you are now, because we are the doors of hope for these children, an orphan and their community. You can be the integral part of their life and this ministry by joining hand with us to see this ministry go and reach even more children throughout India. If anyone else wanting to show in this project to help these children to have shelter on it, please feel free to share and let us know or inbox me detail. Please. Thank you. God bless you.